Hello, future entrepreneurs. Jermaine back here with another video from TrueFreedomIncome.com. Hope you guys are doing awesome today. Today, we have made it to day number 128 of this My Lead Gen Secret Challenge. And it is September the 1st of 2025. All right. So if you guys have no idea what I'm talking about, we are shooting a 1 year challenge, 365 days, where we are using one offer from ClickBank. We're using a service called My Lead Gen Secret. We're putting those two together. We're somehow seeing if we can earn a full-time income doing so within 1 year of doing this challenge. All right. So I'm very happy to be here, guys. If you guys want to get up to speed, go back and watch these previous videos, okay, from the beginning of this series, so you can kind of get up to speed on what we're doing. Now, we're still kind of new into this process, into this video series. So it's going to get good, guys. It's going to progress and it's going to get, the further along we get, the better progress we're going to see. All right. So let's get right into it. It's day number 128. All right. So the service we're using, guys, is called a service called My Legion Secrets. This is a email platform that provides 100 to 200 business opportunity leads every single day. Okay. So every day you come into this back office, you're either going to see 100 or 200 leads, whichever one. Okay. Now, what separates the two, and whether you're going to get the 100 or 200 is how many accounts that you have. All right. And just a little bit about myself. I've been with My Legion Secrets over a few years now. I totally love the service. I mean, I've used this traffic. I've promoted different offers to this traffic, and I can tell you that it does work. It does convert. And these leads are real. Okay. And you can make money from them. All right. But with me having 8 accounts, most of my accounts do have 200 subscribers in it. Okay, the way you would get 100 is only if you have one account. You're only going to get 100 subscribers. Or if you say, for instance, you sign up for 3 accounts, that last account is going to have 100 until you get somebody to sign up under you for that account, and then you'll get that extra 200 subscribers. All right. So this is what it looks like. Your back office is going to look exactly like this, guys. You're going to have tabs coming across the top here. And if you go to the My Leads, it's just going to show you the leads that are coming in every single day. Every single day we got brand new leads coming in. As you can see, we just got another 200 leads coming in. So every day, the cool thing is we get to get in front of brand new people every single day. Okay, fresh leads every single day. And that's one thing about My Legion Secrets that's why I stayed with them so long, because I got fresh leads coming in every single day, and I can get in front of new people and promote whatever business opportunity offers that I have. I can just create an email and send it to this traffic, and I can instantly get traffic just like that. Okay. The cool thing is that you can send out one email every day. Okay. Every 24 hours, you can come in here and you can send out an email and touch all the business opportunity leads in this system. Okay. Now, where you're going to be hanging out is the mailing system. This is where you're pretty much going to go, and you're going to send out all your emails here. If you click on select all, it's just going to pretty much transfer all those emails over. That way you can send out one email and it's going to go to however many people that you have in your back office. Okay. Now, another cool thing is that when you send out an email, guys, so let's talk about the offer real quick before we jump into this. The offer that we're using is called Social Sales Rep. Okay. It's one of the top offers on ClickBank. You may know it as live chat jobs. Okay. There's going to be about 3 different business opportunity offers on ClickBank that I would recommend, and this is one of them right here. Okay. And the cool thing about these offers is that they have free email swipes. Okay. So these free email swipes are made to convert for you. Okay. They're pre-written. All you got to do is pretty much is copy and paste all 20 of these emails. So you take one starting right here, and then you go all the way down to 20 and you end right here. Okay. Now, after you promote these emails, they're going to be stored into your saved emails. Okay. So they'll all be stored in here. And then all you would have to do is pretty much, go to an email and click on load. And what that'll do is it'll load up the email for you guys. Okay. So Pretty much how you would send out an email, guys, is pretty easy. You can go back and watch those previous videos that I sent you, or I'm going to show you right here in front of your face on how to do it. So let's just grab an email, preferably like a shorter one. Okay, I don't want to grab like a super long one. Let's see here. Let's try this one right here. Okay, let's just say, for instance, we wanted to take the subject line of this. Okay, Control C. You come back over here to the mailing system. You take this out and Control V. Right. So you basically paste in those emails over from the offer, and you come here and you paste them in. Okay, super easy to do. You want to take this out. Make sure you click on perfect timing. You come back over to your offer, okay? You come down here and let's just grab this body of text, okay? And grab that, Control C. Come back over here to the mailing system, guys, and then Control V. Like super easy to do. And there's going to be three things that you're going to need to do in this email. Number one is go ahead and take out signature, okay? And you want to put in either your first name or management, whichever one. The second thing you're going to have to do is take out this name. Okay. It's because right now it just says hi name. So we don't know what name it is. We have to put in a code name. Okay. And this code name is going to address our prospect by their first name. Okay. So we're going to come down here and we want to take this name out and we want to put an embedded code in here, which basically when this email goes out, it says like, hi Jermaine, hi John, hi whoever your name is that we're sending out to, right? And then it goes into the job opportunity. Okay. Now, down here underneath every email, what you're going to notice is that there's going to be some type of bold text call to action lettering. Okay. And that bold text is where you're going to want to create a hyperlink. Okay. And a hyperlink is a clickable link. Okay. So you want to come here, and what we're going to do is I'm going to take this whole sentence right here and we're going to make this a clickable link. Okay. And you do that by going to this link tab. You come back over here to the offer, and then you come down here and you grab this link right here. Okay, Control C. And what we want to do is we want to take out this right here, and you want to put in your affiliate ID. Okay, so that's very important that you do that. That way you get credit for the email. So let's go ahead and Control V. Okay, and then we want to it says your ClickBank ID. We want to put in your affiliate ID. Okay. Don't put in mine, but put in yours. Okay. Let me go and click on OK. And what that does, guys, it turns this into a clickable link. Okay. So if you see this email, guys, this email looks like it is ready to go. Okay. We are addressing our prospect by their first name. We're telling them about the job opportunity. And then also we're telling them the income potential that they have. And then also we have a clickable link right here that when our prospect clicks on it, it takes them to our affiliate page. That way we get the commission. And then also we got the name at the bottom below the email. Okay. So they know who's sending out the email. Okay. You come here, you come down here, you click on perfect timing. You click on either preview or send now. You're going to want to click on preview first. That way you can pull this email up in real time, and you can click on the affiliate link and it'll take you to your affiliate page, and your affiliate page does all the selling and telling for you. And you want to make sure that your affiliate ID is in the URL whenever you click on the link. Okay. Excuse me. That's very important that you do that. Okay. So you come back here and you click on send now. Okay. Boom. We just sent out an email in the My Legion Secrets. It's very easy. I just showed you how to do it. If you don't remember anything, what I just said, rewind this video, go back, or you can watch the previous videos that I put out before. And it, goes back, through this and shows you how to do it. But if you don't remember, just rewind this video and just kind of follow it step by step. All right. So if you guys want to get started with the My Legion Secret, I did leave a link below this video. Okay. So all you got to do is come here, click on that tiny URL, MLGS True Freedom, and it's going to take you to this landing page for My Legion Secret. All right. Now, this right here, you can see this is what I mean by the accounts that you have, right? So every account that you have that sign up under yourself, you're going to earn this amount of money back whenever you are signed up under yourself. Okay. So not only are you going to earn money from the My Legion Secrets affiliate program, also you're going to earn money just from promoting the service itself. And as you can see, these are some of the testimonials of other people making money with this system. Okay. So as you can see, you can come down here and see all these people. These people have made money with the mileage and secret system, and it just goes on and on. I mean, you can YouTube this stuff, you can Google whatever. This company is legit. All right. So get signed up today, guys. There's a one-time charge of $60 to get started, and then $30 a month to keep the service. Okay, it's just a no-brainer. Like I said, I've been doing this over a few years, and I've been paying for the service for a long time because it works, and I'm making a lot more than what I'm putting in it. Okay. So that's it, guys. That's how you send out an email in the mileage and secret system. It's super easy to do. Let's go over here to ClickBank. Okay. So this is clickbank.com. Okay. You can go to clickbank.com to create your account. Okay. And you can start using these offers for free. Okay. That's the reason why we're using ClickBank, because it doesn't cost you anything to use the offers. You can come here, literally get signed up, and start working and start sending these offers over to the My Legion secret system. Okay. And ClickBank is a free service. All right. So, what I've been doing, guys, as as you all may know, if you've been following these video series, I do a past 30 days up until today of the sales. Okay. So, as you can see, this is the past 30 days. As you can see, the algorithm has been pretty consistent. We have been earning money with this past 30 days, guys, and it's just fantastic. All right. So I just wanted to show you guys what this looks like. Okay, this is the past 30 days. Today is September the 1st. We did earn a commission today. Okay, to add to the month of the past 30 days. But and that commission came from an email that we sent out from a few days ago that we got a free trial, and then now we're getting paid for it today. All right, which is pretty cool. So, just wanted to show you guys what this looks like, guys. The sales coming in, as you can see, from the beginning of the month all the way to the end of the month of August. And then September, of course, we got a sale today, and we're just going to keep pushing this thing and keep pushing this thing and keep pushing. All right. So the cool thing about this is that we're heading into another month. Okay. I know we're getting probably into the month number 4. But we're going to get into month number 5, to where we're going to get maybe halfway through this thing, and then we're going to start cranking it up a little bit. Okay. You're going to see a difference, in the sales. And the further along we get into this video series, you're going to start seeing more sales and more consistency. Now, right now, in the beginning of this series, guys, we got maybe one here, one in 7 days, and then one way over here or something like that. But as the weeks and the months have progressed, you'll start seeing these sales get closer and closer and closer together. And what we've been seeing lately is either a sale every other day, every 2 days. Okay. It hasn't been going longer than 2 days. The only time that it went longer than 2 days is when I was in Nebraska, getting my daughter moved in for college, and I missed some days, sending out emails and shooting videos and stuff like that. So I did miss out on some money there. Okay. But as you can see, as soon as I came back, the algorithm picked back up, and we were making money pretty consistently by sending those emails out. All right. So I just wanted to show you guys a ballpark of the last 30 days. And this is what I'm going to do in this video series. I'm not going to take it day by day for right now. We may go back to day by day, but as of right now, I like to do the last 30 days. That way you can see that I'm not only making money like that day, but you can see past days as well, and seeing just the consistency on how the algorithm looks. Okay. And I want to show you this algorithm so you can start seeing these sales get closer and closer and closer together. Okay. So I just wanted to show you guys what the results was for today. We did earn some money today. And as you can see, there was a little gap right here, but we're back making money again with the My Legion secret system. All right. So I just wanted to show you guys what that looks like. Go ahead and get started today. Subscribe to this channel, okay, to the True Freedom Income channel. Like this video. Let me know what you think about this type of stuff. Okay, if this helps you. Now, just want to say real quick, guys, this is probably one of the lowest income paying methods that I do personally online. Okay, but I'm only showing you guys this because this is something that Anybody can do. Okay. It's very easy to do. Okay. If you're someone out there looking for the extra income, maybe that may be to help pay with your electric bill, maybe pay a gas bill, maybe help with your car payment or help with your mortgage or something like that. Maybe help with your electric bill, right? This is the type of income that you're going to be able to earn and be able to pay those extra bills with. Now, starting out right now, it may not seem like a lot of money, but as we get further along in this video series, you're going to start seeing this thing grow and you're going to start seeing this thing, get to a full-time income where we can actually really start paying some bills with it. All right. So I'm going to end this video on that note. We sent out our emails tonight already. So we're going to come back here tomorrow at the same time, same place, and we're going to talk about those results and see if we made any progress or made any money. All right. So I'm going to end this video on that note. I look forward to seeing you guys tomorrow, same time, same place. All right, guys. Peace.